Good day, everyone. I am Chrisley Emalas reporting about the fascinating and nuanced eruption of Ganaon Volcano in Negros Occidental.
The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, or PHIVOLCS, December 9, 2024, has confirmed heightened activity at Canlaon Volcano, located on Negros Island. The eruption, accompanied by ash emission and increased sulfur dioxide output, has led to the evacuation of communities within a 6-kilometer radius of the summit. Local government units have implemented safety measures, including mandatory evacuation and the suspension of classes and work in affected areas. Flights near the vicinity have been grounded, and aviation authorities have issued warnings due to ash plumes reaching hazardous altitude. Authorities are urging residents to wear masks to protect against ashfall and to remain indoors as much as possible. The public is advised to stay clear of the volcano's permanent danger zone due to the risk of further eruptions.